SignalR is a library for ASP.NET that simplifies the development of web applications with real-time functionality. It allows you to instantly transfer messages between the client and the server, providing high interaction in real time. SignalR automatically determines the best available transport for data transfer, from WebSockets to long polling, if no other options are available. Key features of SignalR. 1. Real-time bit and one-way communication. SignalR allows a web server to instantly transmit information to client applications and receive real-time feedback. This ensures fast and dynamic interaction between users, reducing delays. 2. Automatic transport selection. SignalR uses different technologies to support the connection depending on the capabilities of the browser. The fastest and most efficient transport is WebSockets, which provide a permanent two-way connection. If WebSockets are not available, SignalR switches to server-sent events, SSE, and then long polling to ensure continuous data transfer. 3. Hubs. This is the core architectural concept of SignalR. Hubs allow you to call methods on the server from JavaScript and vice versa. This makes communication between the client and the server simpler and more efficient. Using hubs, developers can easily send messages from one client to another or broadcast to all clients. 4. Scalability support. SignalR supports scalability via SQL Server, Redis, or Azure Service Bus, allowing it to be used in distributed systems with many servers. This is especially useful for large applications where traffic may be distributed across multiple server instances. 5. Open and continuous connection. SignalR provides automatic reconnection in the event of a disconnection. This reduces the risk of data loss during unexpected network failures. Areas of use of SignalR. 1. Real-time games. One of SignalR's key applications is developing games where it's important for users to be able to interact in real time. 2. Chats and messages. SignalR is ideal for creating messaging systems, chats, where it is important to instantly transfer information between users. 3. Status trackers. SignalR can be used to track the statuses of objects or processes, such as order trackers or displaying employee statuses. 4. Stock quotes and data updates. Financial services can use SignalR to instantly update data on financial platforms such as stock quotes. 5. Collaborative apps. These are apps where multiple users can work on the same document or project at the same time, seeing changes in real time. How exactly does SignalR work? SignalR uses several types of transport to enable communication between the client and the server. This allows for uninterrupted two-way connectivity, even when best-in-class communication methods, like WebSockets, are unavailable due to browser limitations or network settings. SignalR starts with WebSockets, and if that transport is not available, it switches to alternatives such as server-sent events, SSE, or long polling. Main stages of SignalR operation. 1. Establishing a connection. SignalR attempts to establish a connection with the client via WebSockets. If it fails, it switches to other transports. 2. Data exchange. After establishing a connection, the client and server can transfer data to each other in real time. 3. Scalability. If the application uses multiple servers, SignalR synchronizes messages between them via Redis or SQL Server. 4. Reconnection. If the connection is lost, SignalR automatically tries to reestablish it. Features of using SignalR in large projects. 1. Scalability and performance. For large projects with thousands of concurrent users, SignalR uses scaling engines such as Redis or SQL Server to synchronize messages between different servers. 2. Protection and security. SignalR allows you to use SSL to encrypt connections, which ensures the security of data transmission. You can also configure user authentication to control access to the system. 3. Client platforms. SignalR supports not only web clients based on JavaScript, but also client applications for mobile platforms based on Xamarin, .NET, Java, and other technologies. Using hubs in SignalR. Hubs are the central link of SignalR and are used for communication between the server and clients. They simplify the process of data exchange between client and server applications, allowing to call methods on the client from the server and vice versa. It is an ideal mechanism for applications that require active interaction between users or objects in real time. 1. Server method creates a hub that has a method to send messages to clients. 2. Client method. The client receives a message from the server and processes it. For example, displays it in a chat interface or updates data. Advantages of SignalR. 1. Speed and real-time. SignalR provides low data transfer latency, making it indispensable for applications that require real-time information transfer. 2. Flexibility. The use of different transport modes allows SignalR to adapt to any network and browser. 3. Scalability. SignalR-based systems can be easily expanded to support a large number of clients. 4. Ease of use. SignalR is easily integrated into projects based on ASP.NET, and work with hubs simplifies the process of communication between clients and the server. Disadvantages and limitations. 1. Limitations in older browsers. Although SignalR supports various transports, not all browsers handle them equally well. For example, older browsers do not support WebSockets, which can affect performance. 2. Load on the server. Using a long polling transport can create additional load on the server, as each client constantly sends requests to the server to check for new messages. Let us summarize why SignalR can still be useful. 1. Two-way communication between the server and the client. 2. Automatic selection of transport for data transfer. 3. Hubs that simplify data exchange. 4. Scalability with Redis and SQL Server. SignalR is widely used for online chats, multiplayer games, financial applications, and any system where instant data updates are important. Basics of work. 1. WebSockets is the lowest latency transport that ensures a stable connection. If the browser or server does not support WebSockets, SignalR switches to other vehicles such as server-sent events, SSE, used for one-way communication from the server to the client. Long polling. The client constantly sends requests to the server, waiting for answers. 2. Hubs. SignalR uses hubs to transmit messages. This allows clients to call methods on the server and vice versa. Main components of SignalR. 1. Hub. This is a class that handles communication between the server and the client. It allows clients and servers to interact with each other through method calls, sending messages to all connected clients or to a selected group of clients. 2. Persistent connection. It is used for low-level control over data transfer processes between the client and the server. Scalability and load support. SignalR supports application scaling through tools such as Redis, used to synchronize messages between multiple servers. SQL Server 4 scaling through the database. Azure Service Bus provides communication in scalable cloud environments. Automatic reconnection. If the connection is interrupted, SignalR tries to automatically restore it without losing data. Cross-platform support. SignalR works with a variety of client platforms, from web browsers to mobile apps, using SignalR in real projects. Online chats. SignalR allows you to create chats where messages are sent and received instantly. Real-time games. The library is suitable for creating multiplayer games where fast interaction between players is important. Status trackers. SignalR allows you to track changes in the status of orders, activities, etc. in real time. Financial applications, used to quickly update data on stock exchanges or other financial systems. Easy integration. SignalR integrates quickly into ASP.NET-based projects. Low latency. Provides real-time data transfer with minimal latency. Flexibility. Automatic transport selection allows SignalR to work in different environments and networks. Scalable support. The platform scales easily to handle heavy workloads. SignalR is a powerful tool for developing real-time applications that require fast data exchange between client and server. Due to its flexibility, ease of integration, and scalability, SignalR is suitable for a wide range of applications, from online chats to games and financial platforms. Thank you for your attention.